Hey, Farmer Craig, what are you doing?
Oh, hey, happy 4th of July! I am sitting here next to this bag of Boost. July is Boost month. And you can find this at any of our local retailers. I'm going to give you a tip for the whole month. You take 2 cups of Boost. 1, 2. You put them in a 5-gallon bucket filled full of water. Okay, and then you stir them up. You can get a big stick, you can do it like this with a dipper, and after you let it sit for about 24 hours, you can take it out and you can put it in your favorite watering can, and you can turn it into a drench for your plants. In July, it gets hot, and boy, is it hot here. But watch this. This is a drench. You take your water can and you start to pour it over the plants. It gets on the leaves. That's good. Look at, it's just like yoga for your soil. And then you can actually pour the rest out right into the planters. And the whole time your plants are going, ah, because it's yoga for your soil. Happy 4th of July.